a stain on your shirt.
Oh, man. Who are you, Blackie?
Dang, y'all doing a nasty? And you trying to be nasty?
I ain't nasty, man. I just can't get it out.
See, that's why you need this pink miracle right here.
Maybe.
Could you see that spot right there?
Yeah.
That's blacker than my mother, not as beautiful. How you get that on there?
Ranch.
What ranch? You talking about where they got
From
cows?
like the others, like Ranchy Dip and Hot Wings.
But I ain't never seen ranch turn into doo-doo.
What?
Speaking of ranch, you see this spot right here?
Yeah.
That's darker than me living for free. If you think that's impressive, you gotta see this right here. How did that get there? That was ranch too? Look, hold this and watch this. Look, you spray the spray, and then you just do the stanky lid, Okay. Look at that. Bow! Man, I'm impressed. I think I should give me a bottle. What you think?
I'll take it.
Okay, man, it's been fun. I do gotta run, okay?
No problem, brother. Hey, you clean myself and got me some cleaner. Look at it.
Your stain's still there.